Installing a processor on your PC's motherboard is so much easier than most people make it out to be. Just take your processor, very gently set it down, and once it's on there, just kind of wiggle it a little bit, very gently, make sure it's in the slot. Then you're going to grab this little metal thing, push it down, make sure it goes underneath that screw, grab the lever, push the lever down, and slide it underneath that little thing right there, and you are good to go. Your processor is now installed. Easy peasy.